windshield wipers haven't, this truck hasn't been running in like 10 years roughly. And so now the windshield wiper motor, not the motor, I don't think is stuck, but the bar and stuff, whatever, they went up and stopped. They're kind of stuck. And so when we took the cowling off, laying there, it's full of walnuts and stuff. So it's all full of walnuts down in here. I don't know if you can see this. Turn it this way. And there's definitely a mouse nest down in there. Getting it pretty good though. It was full. Anyways, we want to get the windshield wipers going so we can take this truck out because it's raining. Can't mow yet today. I doubt we'll be mowing today at all. It has been raining for 36 hours probably. Plus we had about 48 hours of rain. And then a day without, and then continued more. So basically, rain, rain, rain. It's been raining since Thursday. Last Thursday. I think we had one day off. So we want to take the Toyota out first. I got insurance and all that stuff on it now, and I want to take it out for a run, a long one.